with Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland, featuring the 3-degree guarantee. Sponsored by Capital Credit Union.
Well, we have just completed a weather 360. Saturday afternoon, 16 degrees. Yesterday afternoon, 50. This afternoon, back down to 18 degrees. But now we're going to be in a holding pattern for a while. Here's a look at your 7-day temperature trend. Highs will be right around 18 for the rest of the work week. We'll see a little bit of a warm up on Saturday, and then lower to mid-20s to wrap up the month of February. Right now, temperatures across northeast Wisconsin range from the lower teens across the far north to the mid-30s in Sheboygan. Up and down the Fox Valley, temperatures are currently in the upper teens. It's 18 degrees in Green Bay with northeast winds still gusting between 30 and 40 miles per hour. They've been gusting that strong pretty much all day long. We also have a little bit of light freezing rain in the form of drizzle and some flurries as well. It is 18 degrees in Appleton with northeast winds gusting to nearly 30 miles per hour. Those gusty winds making it feel colder out there. Wind chills right now mainly in the single digits above and below zero from the Fox Valley north and west, and those winds are going to stay strong throughout the night and through tomorrow as well, out of the north and east, gusting between 30 and 40 miles per hour, although some locally higher gusts are possible. Right now we have some light snow and freezing drizzle occurring across parts of northeast Wisconsin, but the precipitation is beginning to increase in intensity and aerial coverage off to the south and west, and that will be expanding east-northeast as we head deeper into the evening and overnight hours. We had a strong cold front move through last night. 50 yesterday, 18 today, and we're going to watch an area of low pressure ride north and east along that front during the next 24 to 36 hours. That will be our main weather maker, tapping into a lot of cold air. Temperatures today only in the single digits above and below zero across the northern plains and northern Minnesota. Once again, we had afternoon highs only in the teens. So we've got a wide range of conditions from blizzard warnings to ice storm warnings on the other side of the lake. For us here in northeast Wisconsin, we're looking at that winter weather advisory for tonight into tomorrow. We're going to be looking at a wintry mix: snow, sleet, freezing rain, and freezing drizzle on and off the next 24 to 36 hours. You can see here on the high-res future radar that precipitation becomes heavier as we move through the evening hours, and then we'll see periods of that wintry mix throughout the night into tomorrow. Colder air starts to wrap in behind the system by tomorrow afternoon and evening, which means most of it will end in the form of snow. If you are planning on sturgeon spearing tomorrow out on Lake Winnebago, look for that on and off wintry mix with temperatures holding in the teens and very gusty winds. Now, whenever you're talking about a wintry mix, snow, sleet, and freezing rain, you're talking about a tricky forecast. Temperatures 5,000 feet above the ground, right at 32 degrees, give or take a degree or two, and that 1 to 2 degree difference can have a huge impact on snow totals. Obviously, 32 degrees or warmer, more mixing, less snow. Below 32, you're going to get a lot more snow and less mixing. And it looks like that snow versus ice line is going to be setting up somewhere across the Fox Valley towards the lake shore. So south of it, the totals are not going to be very impressive. 1 to maybe 3 inches, but well to the north and west of the Fox Valley, where it's going to be mainly snow, we could have 6+ inches. Parts of Wisconsin will see well over a foot. So tonight, a windy, wintry mix with temperatures pretty much holding steady, mid to upper teens. Tomorrow, a windy, wintry mix continues on and off throughout the day with highs in the teens. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is 18. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to Bridge the Gap for Autism, and we did that today. I forecast 26. And the actual high temperature was 26 degrees. On Wednesday, behind this system, we'll see sun and clouds. Some gusty winds continue. Chance for some light snow Thursday into Friday morning. Right now, it looks like a dusting to a couple of inches. A brief warm-up on Saturday, and then some colder weather with maybe a snow shower Sunday into Monday.
As you've mentioned, it's been a pretty relatively calm span, but this week certainly the other direction.
Yes, and tonight through tomorrow, watch out for that ice. It takes very little ice to start causing major problems on the roads. So just keep that in mind if you are planning on heading out tonight or tomorrow.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And speaking of the roads, it's all hands on deck as road crews get ready for the winter weather. For the city of Oshkosh, for example, the Public Works Department has been out all afternoon treating the streets with brine, that saltwater-like solution. Applying that brine to the roads helps try to prevent snow and ice from sticking to the pavement.
All of our routes are designed to be completed in an 8-hour shift. So depending on where a street is in the route, you know, it could be first thing out or it could be one of the last streets that gets done.
And he is asking drivers to be patient, saying right now the Oshkosh Public Works Department is short-staffed, so might take longer than expected to get some of the streets treated as the winter weather continues.